As the winter snow melts and spring begins to blossom, a seasoned motorcycle mechanic emerges from his garage lair to tackle the beastly challenge of a leaking side cover gasket. He approaches the motorcycle with the grace of a predator, stalking its prey, ready to pounce at the problem at hand. As we follow our intrepid mechanic deeper into the workshop, we come across a sight that is truly awe-inspiring. A small forklift has been ingeniously repurposed into a motorcycle lift, using nothing more than a table with a removable top. This stroke of genius is a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of the mechanic. With a flick of the wrist, the mechanic expertly positions the motorcycle on the makeshift lift. It's a beautiful sight, like watching a bird gracefully take to flight, soaring through the sky with effortless ease. With the precision of a surgeon, he first removes the foot peg using his trusty 17mm socket, delicately unraveling the bolt like a tangled piece of string. Next, he deftly removes the shaft lever bolt, teasing it out of its hidey hole with the craftiness of a fox. A flathead screwdriver is produced like a magician revealing a hidden card up his sleeve, and he wedges the shift lever open with the finesse of a seasoned card sharp. As he moves on to the next stage of his challenge, he employs a hex socket to remove the screws holding the mysterious other cover thingy. With a flick of the wrist, he masterfully removes the thingy, like a lioness dragging down her prey. The oil is drained like the blood of a vanquished enemy. With his trusted hex socket and a few well-placed taps of a soft hammer, he frees the side cover from its resting place. He delicately removes it, making sure to avoid any potential danger lurking beneath. And what does he find there? A mating surface covered in gasket maker. A rookie mistake made by a lesser mechanic. But our hero is still not swayed by such a minor setback. He takes his trusty scraper, and with the care of a mother tending to her newborn, he cleanses the surface of any impurities. With a keen eye and a steady hand, he inspects the internal components, looking for any signs of wear and tear. But there is none, for this is a machine of quality, built to last by the hands of an expert. He fits the new gasket to the dowels like a tailor fitting a suit, and with the ease of a practiced hand, he replaces the side cover. The hex socket bolts are replaced with the delicacy of a porcelain restorer, making sure not to over-tighten and risk damaging the threads. As he steps back to admire his handiwork, he notices something. There are a few pieces left over, but does that faze him? No, for he knows that these are simply the excess pieces of a puzzle perfectly put together. He realizes he cannot test his work just yet, for he has forgotten what kind of oil the motorcycle requires. But no matter, he is filled with pride and confidence, knowing that his handiwork will withstand any test, and he will discover the perfect oil for his beloved machine